What's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and I'm back again with a new video. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Welcome. It's your girl Alicia Jones. I'm back with a new video, and as y'all can see from the title, this is about to be an affordable headband wig video, okay? So this wig I've actually had for 2 years. I bought it from my local beauty supply for $15. Do you hear me? $15. This headband right here on my head. Over the next few weeks, I will be showing y'all some affordable headband wigs, so make sure you stay tuned. If you don't want to miss those videos, make sure you hit subscribe, turn on your notifications so you never miss any videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on with the video. All right, y'all, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take care of this, because we cannot be rocking no half wig with our edges looking like this. So I got my little wig cap or stocking cap, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna use this Shine and Jam Extra Hold. So the wig I'm gonna be using today, the half wig, it is Outre, and it's the quick weave penny, color number 2. And I've had this for a while. Yo, synthetic wigs can go a long way. I'm telling y'all, all you gotta do, put the mugs in rotation. That's all you need to do. You want to prolong the life? Because I'm telling you, like, if you ain't got it like that, because a lot of us don't got it like that to be trying to buy these expensive $200 wigs. You know, we got bills to pay, we got kids, you know what I'm saying? Not knocking anybody that can't afford them, but you know what I'm saying? Not knocking people that buy them, but baby girl, this one right here, all my synthetic wigs, they're all still in good shape as I put the mugs. I got it pushed back. Yo, my hair is looking jacked right now. We ain't gonna worry about that. So what I'm gonna do is put all my hair in it, right? And then I'm gonna pull this back. You see? Just a little bit. Let me get over there. Here is Outre penny. Now you can really find any of the Outre half wigs, especially the older ones like this one. You can find them for real cheap. You hear me though? You can find them for really cheap, okay? That's what I'm saying. Like, some of us ain't trying to spend all that. So I'm gonna take it. Oh, matter of fact, let me show y'all. I'm rude. So it has one big comb here. Of course, this is a half wig. And then it has a big comb in the back, and then it has an adjustable strap. Let me turn this baby inside out so y'all can see. So there's that big comb in the front. There's the smaller one in the back. All right. And then I'm gonna take that comb. Oh shoot, hold on. All right. Well, I mean, it's looking kind of cray-cray, but there. So here's another deal I got for you guys, another special treat, because you don't have to spend all that money, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, I got all these for a good deal on Amazon, like 11 bucks. 11 bucks, 11 bucks, all these headbands. So we gonna use this one today so it can match, you know what I'm saying? So let me take care of my edges though. So y'all, somebody told me the other day that I had a southern accent. So what do y'all think? Do y'all think I got a southern accent? Because I never really, I guess when you have an accent, you don't really trip off of the fact that you have an accent until somebody tells you that you have an accent. Because somebody told me that and I was like, do I got a southern accent? Do I really have one? Because if I did, I didn't notice. Somebody else told me that I had an accent. They told me that they liked my accent. And I was like, me? Who? What? Because me, I have an obsession with accents. So I was like, me? An accent? I just don't understand. I really love accents. So I was like, me? So what y'all think? Let me know down below. Y'all think I have an accent? A southern one, or what kind of one do you think I have? Y'all, I'm loving my new filming setup, because down here I really don't have to tell the kids to be quiet, because usually what I would do is just film my videos when they were at school. But if I really wanted to get a video out, I would. Now I'm not the edge slayer, so y'all know So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this headband on to cover it up, baby. You know, girl. And this is just one of the headbands that I have. Let's see. Maybe I should have pushed it back just a little bit more, but that is this, and I love it. Yes, you guys, this wig I got from my local beauty supply 2 years ago, $15. You can find it online for $11. And this headband I got for hecka cheap. And what y'all think? Like, I feel like it matches so well, like with my shirt. See, black and white, black and white. And I'm winning because I didn't spend that much money. Like, you can make your hairstyles work for you on a budget. Like, cause I'm seeing some of them have wigs, they looking just like this. Dupe. This is a dupe, baby. You can get it for much cheaper and save your coin, still have a little left over in the bank account. And my edges, they cool. My edges thin though, but you know, that's cute. You know what? I want to try it with another headband, just to, you know. Let's see with this one. And girl, this headband was 11 bucks. Let me fix it just a little bit. It's a little. Y'all, this headband was $11.99 on Amazon.com. I will have it linked below, but like this, I could put it up. I could do like a half up, half down, baby girl. For real. This is so cute. Matter of fact, let me try it real quick. Just real quick, just to see what we can do with an affordable half wig. And I'm really not giving any shade, but I'm just saying, like, some of us don't have it like that. And if I can provide a cheaper way for you guys, that's what I want to do. I love this so much. You guys, let me know what y'all think down in the comments. I'm gonna take this down. I like it down better. But you guys, I love this so much. It got tangled. I love this so much. Let me fix it just a little bit. It's a little. Y'all, this headband was $11.99 on Amazon.com. I will have it linked below, but like this, I could put it up. I could do like a half up, half down, baby girl. Y'all, everything, all the information will be linked down below. Please let me know what you think. This is Outre Annie. Oh, I got Outre Bahamas. I should try that next.